Do you need to connect and run Node.js apps to autonomous transaction processing? If so, let's get started. In this example, I've already provisioned an ATP database instance called Demo with an admin user. If you need help with this, go to the ATP Help Center. Click Videos, select and watch the Provision Autonomous Transaction Processing video. The first thing you need to do is download the instant client. Go to the ATP Help Center and select Books. Open the Using Oracle Autonomous Transaction Processing book and navigate to the topic titled Connecting with Python, Node.js, and Other Scripting Languages. In Step 1A of the Using Guide instructions, click the Oracle Instant Client link and then click on Downloads. Since I'm using an already installed Windows with a 64-bit version of Node.js in this example, I select Microsoft Windows x64 to download the instant client architecture that matches Node.js. I'm taken to the Instant Client Downloads for Microsoft Windows x64 OTN page, where I accept the software license agreement. Each instant client version can connect to both older and newer database versions. I find the zip file for the instant client version I want, then download and extract it to my local machine. I open a command window and navigate to the folder where Instant Client's installed. After entering the dir command, the contents of the folder shows the latest version available for Instant Client package-basic. From the Advanced System Properties, I go to Environment Variables and edit the value of the path system variable to include the instant client location and save. From the Instant Client Downloads page, I click the link to download Visual Studio Redistributable from Microsoft. In this example, Visual Studio 2013 Redistributable is installed. Now that Instant Client has been installed, it's time to download the client wallet. Go to the Service Details page for your instance and select DB Connection. Select Download and follow on-screen instructions to define a password and complete the download. As shown in this command prompt window, the credentials have been extracted and moved to the network /admin subdirectory under the location Instant Client was installed. Once this is done, install the Node.js Oracle DB driver. Scroll to Step 2 of the Using Guide instructions. Go to the Installing Node-Oracle DB link for Node.js. Navigate to the Quick Start instructions and go to nodejs.org to start the installation process. Select the long-term support version noted by LTS and install to a Node.js subdirectory. In this example, I installed to Node.js subdirectory under Program Files. In your command prompt window, go to the demo directory. Before running npm, you may need to set https:/proxy if you access the internet via a proxy server. Now enter the command npm install Oracle DB. The Oracle DB package is installed to the node_modules subfolder under demo. Now install the version of Visual Studio Redistributable required for Oracle DB. To obtain the Node.js app used in this example, go to github.com/oracle. Search for Oracle-DB-examples and select it. Click on the Exadata-Express folder. Find example.js and download to see demo. Modify the example app to connect to the cloud service. Open it in Notepad. This app creates a table, inserts some data, and performs a simple query on that data. Change username to admin. Then change password to the actual admin user password you defined when creating the admin user for the demo instance. Now change connect_string to demo_low. This entry is from the tnsnames.ora file downloaded earlier in the wallet. Be sure to save your changes. In the command prompt window, go to the demo folder and run the example.js app with Node. There you go, you've successfully set up a Node.js environment to connect to ATP. Thank you for watching.